Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are in the metro. I'm gonna show you how it works. Let's go. Metro in Dubai is excellent and easy to use, whether you live here or just visiting. Let me explain you how to use it. Using your car can be very comfortable, but with the traffic in Dubai nowadays, you can end up wasting a lot of time. And since we don't want to be late, the metro is usually the best option for getting around Dubai. And it's a fast and easy way to reach your destinations. The metro stations look like this from the outside. They are super modern, just like everything around here, and they are always climate controlled for your comfort. You can purchase your tickets at these machines, whether it's a single trip or a daily pass. And you can choose gold or regular. The prices depend on the station you're heading to. And if you live here or are visiting for several days, I recommend getting the Noel card. It costs around 20 dirhams and reduces the prices of the tickets. You can choose between 3 types. The metro is very practical, covering almost all central areas, and even to the airport. Don't miss out on enjoying the beautiful views. It has exclusive areas for women and children as well as gold class. I love taking the metro when it's nearly empty. Because the downside is that it has times when it's full of people. Those times tend to be around 9 a.m. and 6 p.m. One more thing you need to know: no eating or drinking and no chewing gum on the train. So I hope the information was helpful for you, and I'll be waiting for you in the next video.